Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you what Super.ai is and how to use it to automate document processing tasks using AI and human review systems. Super.ai is a cloud-based platform built to help businesses automatically extract and organize data from unstructured documents, like invoices, forms, PDFs, and scanned images. To get started, visit Super.ai and request a free demo or just explore their website to have an overview of how everything works. Once you're in, you can integrate it with your existing tools or upload files directly into the platform. You'll then configure your document workflow by selecting the type of document and the specific data fields you want to extract. After setup, Super.ai processes your files using large language models and intelligent automation. If something looks unclear, the system automatically routes the task to a human reviewer to ensure accuracy. This makes it useful for industries like finance, logistics, and insurance, where high accuracy is essential. You can then export the processed data to your preferred system or download it directly. A standout feature of Super.ai is its guaranteed outcomes model, promising predictable results in terms of cost, quality, and turnaround time. You don't need to train the model from scratch. It works right away with zero or few shot learning. In conclusion, Super.ai is a practical tool for automating complex document workflows without sacrificing accuracy. Whether you're dealing with hundreds or thousands of documents, it offers a scalable and efficient way to reduce manual work. And that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching.